What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how you can get 75% off of any of your plants. First, the one thing you can look for is, if you like this, sometimes stores like Lowe's or Home Depot have a dumpster. They just put all their plants in. It's not just full of trash, it's mainly full of plants. If you do decide to do that, that is perfectly up to you. But if you want to actually buy your plants for 75% off, look for end of season sales. That is how I got this rose for over 50% off, and this daylily for only $3 when it was marked for $12. So just look for end of season sales. Also look for clearance plants. 95% of the time, the only thing those clearance plants need is just some water, and they'll perk right back up. A little bit of water, a little bit of fertilizer, and that is how they'll perk right back up. And you only pay 50% of the original price. So just a quick video, just to keep an eye out, especially this time of year. The stores are trying to get rid and liquidate all of their plants that they've had for over the winter, especially if you live in a colder climate. This may already be happening in your area, or it will very soon be happening when you receive this video. So I like to share some good budget gardening tips just like this one, so I encourage you to subscribe, share, and like this video to see more gardening content like this.